Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, open Settings and tap on Apps section after scrolling down. Then choose Dual Apps. Following that, you need to click on Create and tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone, in my case App Gallery. Then select Turn on in the pop-up and wait. As you can see after that, when I go back, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. In order to delete cloned app, you need to access the same settings and tap on the same switcher next to it. Then click on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!